How to use Microsoft Bookings. In this video, I'll show you how to use Microsoft Bookings. So to use Microsoft Bookings, first go ahead and sign in to your Microsoft Bookings account. So you need a business account to be able to access Microsoft Bookings. Now, once you're signed in, you can go ahead and find this section, so then you'll be able to find your personal booking page and your shared booking pages. So under your personal booking page, you can go ahead and create an appointment type for you into this section. So this means that all of the appointments under the personal booking page are appointments that are done by the client with you directly. Now, under the shared booking pages, you'll be able to find the appointments that the client booked you with your team. So invite your team and get people to book time with you and your team. So you cannot delete shared booking pages since shared booking pages will require you to add your teammates to this appointments. So this is not a personal administrator decision, but instead a team decision. Now, you can create personal booking page by clicking on this create meeting type button. And then in here, you can go ahead and add a title to that meeting type, add a category, book time to connect with me, location, the duration, the privacy of this specific appointment, and the schedule customization. So once you click on the save button, you can save this under your personal booking pages. Now, if you want to create shared booking pages, simply click on this create booking page at the right side of shared booking pages. And then in here, you can go ahead and create it from scratch if you prefer that. Create a new shared booking page by naming this booking page, uploading its logo, and setting the business type of this specific booking page, and then setting the business hours as well. Now, after you create that, you can go ahead and invite your staffs into this booking page and then click on next. Set up the duration of your service and the available services that you offer for this specific booking page, and then click on next to select the privacy and permission for this specific appointment. So you can set who can see the bookings page, check availability, and book appointments. And once you click on this create button, you can create a shared booking page appointment type under your account. And that is how you can basically use Microsoft Bookings. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.